you are in MLM company, it will be difficult. Because if you are like Husniar, no one will, who are you, you know. But if you are doctor, one time you will meet between your income, your doctor's income and the income that you earn from MLM. This is with hard work, you know. This is easy work because you are doctor already. So this create hesitation. But I push myself because my friend at the time from bankrupt to earn 1 billion rupiahs 1 month. This is only need 1 year. So my logic is if she can do it, so I am convinced that I can do it. And if for me myself, I'm very hard on myself. So if someone can do it, I will do whatever, you know, just to be able to do it. So I force myself at that time until sometimes I feel like I want to vomit because I don't want to work, but I force. This is not 5 people. I usually prospect 5 persons one day. So before 5 persons, I force myself. You know, sometimes it's not easy, especially because I have to work as a doctor also. And in doctor's field, I'm very they honor me so much. You know, this is in contrast with this MLM. So heavy burden for me, but because I forced, only in 6 months, I already success. I earn billions already. Woo. And the rest is easy, because afterward, when you are success, it's like everything, passive income and everything is smooth. You just need to keep the system. I will teach all to you when the time comes.
Dr. Yudi, what have you done in this 6 months to the fast success?
Where? In my first network?
First start 6 months.
The first network is I prospect everyone every time and force myself to prospect at least 5 persons
every day.
One day. And that is a must. You know. That's why sometimes I feel I don't want to do it, but I force until I feel like want to vomit. I just do it, you know. And I learn a lot, of course, because learning is something, because we become more sharp when we learn. So you have to learn. Now we can learn from everywhere. This is more easier. You can just browse and then find something that is useful for you. Say that maybe handling objection. You can learn from even people you don't know yet before, from the internet. So you have to collect this and make your own way, the best one. So when you do prospect, you try to train until you are master it so well. That's also important. And you have to have a time frame. You have to protect this one this month, and you have to close this one, you know. And how you have to also not just do it like a job, If job I protect 5, then it's okay. No, but you have to think how to convert this 5 to sales, how to accompany them to create more sales, to develop. You have to be creative. Because this is your own business. And actually the one that determine whether you are successful or not is yourself, not other people. So no one can. This is like religion. When you go, whether you want to have your own connection with God, what way you decide. Because a lot of things will happen. And then I learned a lot at that time, because the first time I joined network, I feel clever. So basically, I don't want to listen to my leader. This is normal, So normal, I think. So I use my own theory. But then at some point, I feel very strange because I compete with one girl. This one girl actually, if we talk, if we see how she reacts, she's not clever. But my income like this, and then at last her income
shoot.
So at last I asked my leader, how come? She said, because I'm not following the system. What is the system? Like now you have Zoom, Indonesia who can speak Malay, you have Zoom every week 3 times. You should follow them. Try to find something that is new, something that is useful, and teach your downline. You have to teach your downline. Networking maybe take a lot of time. Different with usual business. Usual business, you work one and then you get one. You work two, you get two. But in networking, different. Maybe you work until 10, still the income one, you know, because you have to teach. But once the people master this, then your income will be like 20, 30, 100 like that. So you have to be patient in the start. And the interesting thing is, even if you are going to boom, you still don't know it. You still feel, why it is difficult life. But my leader can see it. So my leader tell me, Yudi, you are going to be big now, very big. I said, what? What? Still the same, you know, still difficult and the income still low. But 2 months afterward, boom. So this networking is different. And I don't follow the system because I don't want to attend the Zoom. I don't want to learn, because I think I'm clever than you. You do prospecting one time and I know everything already, and I can do prospecting even better than you. You do the training one, I can understand everything. I can make the training. You know. But that's not the system. So be humble enough to learn. And if you confused or something, you can consult your upline. Not all to me, but say that you are Sansan downline. You have to ask Sansan. If Sansan don't know, Sansan will ask to John. John don't know, John will ask to Tang. Tang don't know, Tang will ask to me. Like that. This is the line of command. You have to keep this in mind and apply this in all your network, because this is so important. Otherwise, because when you ask something and then everyone don't know, will come to me also. I will answer, but I will answer to Tang. Tang will answer to John. So everyone will know. This is different if you ask me and I will answer directly to you. Of course, only you know. This is still don't know. So everyone get responsibility to teach you. This is also another positive thing here. Line of command.
What is the privilege to become mobile stockist?
Mobile stockist, of course, you have products. Products in hand, different with no products. If I prospect you, and then I have to do closing. Doing closing means do the hard way or the soft way. Soft way, like I said, okay, which one will you choose? Sapphire or diamond? Oh no, I just want to buy ruby. It's okay, but I do the closing. Or Sansan, how do you want to pay? Using credit card or cash? Like that. This is the soft closing. Hard closing is Sansan. Okay, let's join now. I know that we can be successful together here. You just have to buy diamond like that. But using the product, it's more easier. Say that the patient sick, they say, okay, Sansan, now I will open this product for you. So you can buy these two products. I will open it now, so you can taste the product. If you say yes, I will open. You should pay. Easier, And also, sometimes a lot of time we prospect someone that we don't know. So don't have the trust. You say, okay, send me money first, and then I will process it, and then the next 3 days or tomorrow I will bring to you. Maybe they will make excuses. Actually, they just my money to you. This money big to me, and I don't receive product. I don't know if I can believe you or not. So having product in hand very useful. Second, if the product empty, because now Malaysia will open. Company already now we have like Subarasi, we have 4,000 boxes. Company will order more 10,000 boxes, so will be 14,000 boxes. Should be enough. But you know, network marketing suddenly you can boom like that, like in Indonesia. In Indonesia, when I joined the company, it's always empty. So be careful of this. If you are mobile stockist, you are safe.
Okay.
Because during the product emptiness, you can still give because the sick one don't care about the plan. She just, I need the product. Sorry, we don't have. We have to indent. How long? 2 weeks. I need the product now. Oh, sorry, I don't have. While the other person said, I have the product. You want to buy from me? Yes. And then after buying several times, hey, I think I better join you than her because you always have products. So mobile stock is very important. And if you want to be Bushido, you can focus also in suggest your downline to become mobile stockist. Because if you have 60 mobile stockists here and 60 mobile stockists here, if all mobile stockists reload 2 times 1 month, then you are Bushido already. Easy to count.
Looks up for reload.
Yeah.
2 times.
And you cannot. Okay, the other advantage is like this. Now the pickup stockist in Malaysia is Ardian. Yeah. You have new member, and then you send new member to take in the office. But your new member is a cunning person. He will think, oh, it's better for me to join Ardian than join you because he's the stockist. You know?
Yeah.
Then you can lose your network also. But if you are mobile stockist, this is product.
Directly.
Yeah.
And another question, I heard in July, Touch and Go can pay to the company direct. But if I'm already a mobile stockist, but for company, the client, new client want to pay Touch and Go, then how? They register through by the company or through my mobile stockist?
Okay, usually I do like this because they want to pay using credit card, and
Yeah.
the company only can receive the credit card. I will ask him to register, yeah, and then I will give him products.
Advance.
But the what you call it,
The payment.
the ID, the order ID, I take it. So I will claim it to the office. So no direct contact between my downline and the office. Because I have stock, I can do it. Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of advantages to become mobile stockist.
Okay.
Plus, you can earn extra money, although it's so small, but it can buy coffee for your downline, you know, things like that. But if you,
So mobile stockist, even after official launching, still can do, right?
yeah, yeah, and you should do because you have to have stock in.
Yes. Only.
So A, have income already. Yeah. This is important also to increase our income, so we can testify to our friend, to family, hey, I got income this much already, you know. So, and at that time, I think there is no mobile stocking system yet. So, but I know I need the product. That's why I registered 3 diamonds, so I can work faster. And this turned out to be true because after I joined, instantly indent. 3 months indent. After 3 months, they supply the product only maybe 1/3 of the indent because the product need so much more than predicted, and then indent again 1 month. So like it's endless indent. So yeah, but don't worry because this also make your income grow bigger because when indent people, when we do correct way, people will buy more. We can tell the customer, you should indent, why? For your own sake. Because no one can indent for you. No money will cover all the downline's expenses. Yeah, so they should indent, and this means that our sales go up. And also for our downlines, all the leaders have to stock. So this also make the sales go up. So actually, empty shortness of product is the good thing. Up until now, Indonesians still, the new people will say, oh, product empty, but the one that experienced it before will say, oh, do you miss the shortness of product because the sale will go up. Okay, for me, I concentrate on this because for you, yeah, maybe 2 legs. You are lucky if you have 2 legs developed fully, because you will be Bushido, you will have income, you know, like presentation, yeah, only daily income 660 million, and then plus yearly income is big already. But if you find out that this is growing already fast, and the system you duplicate already, so you have nothing to do. At that time you can open
Inside.
yeah, inside, but you choose which one the shorter leg. Yeah. Say that this is shorter, so you open this. Yeah. By open this, you can receive 2 times income, not only 1. Two income. Yeah. So do this, you know. But while doing this, before doing this, usually when I find, oh, the big leader will goes in here, I will put big leader. I will buy more ruby here.
When we the trap.
Yeah, buy ruby before this leader, you know.
Yeah.
So when this leader big, I can develop here if necessary. So I can do the counting again, whether this leg now become big or this is still bigger.
Okay.
If this is bigger, I can develop here or here, up to me. So the placement will be strategic. If every time for every leg that we will have leader, we buy ruby first above them.
That's what I did. I buy ruby. I know Dr. Moses going to move, you see. So I put one ruby. Now the ruby on top, I got about nearly 400 to 500,000, you know.
Yeah, that's
You see. So I got to move.
because this is
然後
all,
揦個皮落去嗰啲，
Yeah,
因為我睇中你飛馬插一隻 ruby 落去，係咪都插一隻？
Because-
儲咗啲分，收錢嗰時先 upgrade 單入成。
Okay. Carry on.
because this is also plays strategic role later.
Ah.
When you prospect big leaders,
Okay.
sometimes big leaders know this already. I don't want to join with zero. I want to join if you have one big leg. Then you can give this to them maybe.
Oh, give them. Yeah. I see.
That's why usually I register not only one, but maybe 2 or 3 spot ruby, and then the leader. So this is strategically will plays role.
Like now, in my right leg, Hong Kong leg, right? There's Dr. Goh came in simply because I got one account with about 300,000 points, and then I give it to him, you know. And then
Yeah.
while he grew a rapid fire on the inside leg,
Yeah.
few hundred.